Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is just a simple vlog taken on a day after I edit and publish a video. So you can know how it goes with me. Usually on days when I edit, my house is completely upside down, not clean at all, and it gets very late for me to sleep. Because editing is a tiring task for me, being a complete homemaker. So lots of house chores remain pending and I do it the next day. So thought of taking a video so that you all know my routine. Keep watching. So I got up very late that day. My husband knew I slept late, so he didn't wake me up for preparing breakfast. He had left the office already. The blinds were already opened. I was hearing sound from the living room. I just went to check, and this little man was watching TV. He quickly made a Spider-Man pose. Then I got fresh, had a banana first. You can see the kitchen sink, so first thing I cleaned up all that, loaded the dishwasher. Then started to prepare the breakfast. I've already shown this breakfast earlier in a video. Please click the iCard above or the link is there in the description box, so please check. This is an egg and potato along with bread. I had sliced potato in the previous video. Here I am grating for making the cooking faster. Now that's palak. In between, Rehan woke up and he got fresh. He just came into the kitchen to check what's for breakfast. I'm just putting the palak in water for some time. That's for lunch. I'm preparing the lunch along with breakfast as it was already late. Before the breakfast was getting ready, I asked the kids to take a shower themselves. Rehan gives a shower to Arman on days when I am busy. That's rice for lunch. We used to have punni rice earlier. Many of you had suggested for the red rice to be more healthy, so now we eat this rice. Meanwhile, Arman got his shower done. There goes the rice. I have to prepare it in a pressure cooker because the cooking time is too much for the rice other way. Then having breakfast together. You can see the time is 12 already. Cleaning up the sink. Lunch curry was dal and palak. So I washed 1 cup dal and added some water, adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Now that's fish, mackerel. The ice from the fish was still yet to go, so meanwhile I began the cleaning part. I had to change the sheets too. I don't mop the floor daily, twice in a week or maybe once when I'm very busy. I just had to brush today. The cleaning was over by 1:30. Rice was cooked well and I already drained it and kept. Began cleaning the fish, just for beginners, cutting the tails and the fins first, removing the head part and pulling the waste from inside. You can use scissors for this. I'm more comfortable with the knife while cleaning mackerel. Then continue the same with the rest. I add salt while cleaning any non-veg. Just giving light cuts onto the fish. Meanwhile, Arman with his silly steps. The dal was cooked, so chopping the palak. I like my curries in a clay pot, so transferring it to this. Preparing fish onto the other burner, adding some coconut oil. Grinding a cup of coconut, a shallot, 2 garlic cloves and half teaspoon fennel seed powder. Meanwhile, the coconut oil was heated, adding half teaspoon mustard seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds. Then goes shallots and curry leaves. Saute well. Then add ginger garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon each. Adding the grinded coconut to the curry. Let it boil. Meanwhile, adding 1.5 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix well. Let it get well roasted. Adding some hot water and some salt. Now that's garnesia or kudampuli we call. This is for the sourness. Checking the salt for the dal. And only then knew that I didn't add salt at all to this. Then goes in the fish here. Rihan came into to check what's for lunch. Some of you wanted to hear Rihan's voice, but he's too shy now to talk on camera. Finally, a seasoning for the curry with shallots and dried red chilies. I had added a pinch of turmeric to this just to add color to the curry, but that's optional. A little piled up in the sink. Some of you had asked how I keep my steel vessels shiny. I don't have any secrets for that. I use normal cleaning liquid and scrub for it. For tough stains, I use a little Jif and scrub. Final is cleaning the sink. Time is 2:45. I'm going for a shower. Time for lunch. Rihan loves Dal Palak curry, so he eats well. He's having a mango from the pickle. Now after lunch and the cleaning, sitting with the kids and watching TV. He is all tired now. I was too lazy to prepare something as snack for tea, so my husband brought it from a cafeteria after his office. That's my cup from Home Center. There was onion pakoda, veg cutlet and vada. I was too lazy to go to the gym, but I hadn't gone for few days, so thought of anyway going and do some workout. That's my gym bag. Now some of you had asked me what I carry in my gym bag. There is an extra pair of dress that I need after shower from gym after the workouts. Then my bath towel, a water bottle, I carry my headphones too to listen to some music or watch videos while working out. That's my power bank in case my phone battery goes low. Then my purse in which I have my gym membership card that I need to swipe when entering. Now my moisturizer that I use after shower. I usually prefer morning to go to the gym when my kids are at school, but now it's vacation, so I need to go evening time and it's too rush at this time. Now going for a shower. Served kids their dinner. I had just a handful of cashews because I didn't feel like having dinner after eating the fried snacks for tea in the evening. So that's for today's video. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't yet. See you soon with more videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.